Okay, so we're going to take a look at graphing rational functions and really how to pull the information that we're looking for out of an equation. Okay, that is the x-intercept, the y-intercept, the vertical asymptote, or the horizontal asymptote. Okay, so let's say that we have a function. We'll call it r of x because we're talking about rational functions. So a rational function is going to be a function that is a ratio of polynomials. So we'll have p of x over q of x, or both p of x and q of x are polynomials. So the x-intercepts for any rational function are found by setting your p of x equal to 0 and solve. Another way to do it is, or say that is, finding the zeros of p of x, which is the numerator here. The y-intercept can be found by setting x equal to 0, then solving for y, as it is for anything, right? Vertical asymptotes, those come from where the graph is going to be undefined. And so to make a graph undefined, one of the ways to do it is to divide by 0. So essentially, the question is, we want to find what the zeros of q of x, that denominator, are going to be. So what makes your denominator equal to 0? Then for horizontal asymptotes, we really have two different scenarios that we're looking at. One of them is if the degree, remember the degree is the highest power of your variable. If the degree of p of x, the numerator, is going to be less than the degree of the denominator, which is going to be q of x, okay, then the horizontal asymptote is going to always be y equals 0. Okay, every single time that's going to happen. Okay. The other scenario that we're going to take a look at is, what if the degree of p of x is going to be equal to the degree, it's an equal sign there, equals to the degree of q of x. Okay. So if that's going to happen, then your horizontal asymptote is a little bit different, but it's going to be y equals to, it's the ratio of the leading coefficients. Okay, so remember, there's a lot of letters that are squeezed together there. Coefficients, there we go. So what that means is ratio meaning fraction, so the leading coefficients. So for example, if you had 2x plus 3 over, 2x plus 3 over 5x, so like this, they're the same degree 1 right there, and so it's the ratio of the leading coefficients, so 2 over 5, so y equals 2 over 5. Okay. All right, so that's all the information that we need to pull out of the equation, and this is where you can find it.